Hello, hello, hello. Yippers. Concentrate on something right now. Yep, doing a video. Just trying to prove something. I'm actually peeing. Right in front of people, they didn't even know it. Because I know you humans. I didn't act like I was peeing, but I was peeing. But I'll update what's going on with the truck. Permits are going. I'm getting it. They're gonna patch, just more patchwork. I'm not getting no information on which injector we're gonna work on. Probably replacing. I guess I don't know if it's 1, 2 going out. One that went out is the one been replaced before. I mean the umbrella seal. I'm guessing maybe that is. I'm just guessing. And you know, talk to the service, whatever they call it. Got a white collar puke in the service in this industry. It's like back in my day, person had to be a master certified ASE certified tech. But the information I get is some dumbed down information. Oh yeah, they discovered it's injector leaking. I'm like, well, next thing you're gonna tell me water's wet and air is dry. 2 minutes at the house, I knew the injector. Because they told me, well, they found number 3 injector is actually leaking. What about my battery issues? I heard about that. But they have their chance. If I gotta pick up the truck and jump it off, there ain't no problem. I'm gonna have new batteries. No problem. Make that stuff happen. Being a nice guy, I get fucking ass by these goddamn Christians. You know? I mean, with atheists, I'm gonna have some more morals than a Christian does. Because atheist has nothing to, you know, wipe this stuff away. They're like, you gotta be good. These Christians, these gray Southern Christians around here, oh well, save and grace. Oops, oops, I'm not perfect. Depart from me, you workers of iniquity. I don't even know you. Think about that. You know, constantly going back with your constant question. I'm seeking the truth. I want to know. There's something more than this. More than low living, okay? But anyways, go back to my truck. Involved out that, I don't know what his title was, but sending emails up to corporate. This is an ongoing problem. You know, I got this insurance MRP thing. So not if, when the engine grenades, I ain't paying, I'd pay a dime. It's covered. The company's gonna pay for it. I'm trying to help them out. Okay, hey, I'm going to think. Now it's Night Swift, super mega carrier, buy tons of trucks with cash. Maybe Volvo, they'll make it right with them. If not, that's between them, whatever. They take the information, they can wipe their butts with it. I don't care. I know it's going to happen. I don't have to pay for it. Whatever. I was hoping to get the engine now, get out of the way, but still got about, I figured out about a year and a half. I mean, time just goes on by fast. Last time I figured out, it was just working on under 2 years. That's a year and a half. Yeah, maybe even less than that, to be exact. I think I'm gonna have the truck actually, at least done, bought and paid for by the beginning of 2020. Then I'm gone. Checking into these other companies, maybe hauling. We like to haul exotic vehicles. But at least some with a good company that already has clients they want experience with. Understandable. I mean, I go start on the bottom of that and get the experience and then get on. Let's stick with what I know. But still I can go on the higher echelon of freight. Instead of general, do air freight. This place called Forward Air. I've worked on some of the contracts with CRST. And they got a deal, it's hub to hub. 100% drop and hook. Go to one hub, and it's not their hub, it's airports. Go drop a trailer, hook up to one. I don't know, was it 9%? 9%? Yeah, because there was sometimes I'd actually back up to the dock and wait. But during the time it was drop, hook, go. Go to the next airport, drop it off, or next hub, what they call it, hub, FedEx, stuff like that. It's a good runs, There's an airport in Little Rock, so. Get that thing knocked out. Light freight, less fuel, less wear and tear on my truck. I just didn't do. And that's another option. At least on with, a bottom feeding car hauling company, because it's need some experience. I do 6 months. At least on with the car hauler. Learn that, and then get on with Advantage, Cartage. Go to these fancy places. The truck I end up getting, I'll probably trade in mine, get something better, like one with the dang apartment on it. Go to these car auctions. I mean, the ones that are on TV, the fancy ones, all that stuff. Rub shoulders with fancy people. There's got to be better. I'm not gonna be stuck doing general freight my whole life. I can do better. Go better, be around better, provide better. Just gotta do it. But I gotta stick with it and get that truck. Can't jump. He's like, oh, I gotta go. Gotta stick with it. Learn more and find other opportunities, Cause I know I won't be satisfied just doing air freight. Because that became boring. The first thing is, oh, going to these nice airports is pretty nice, but that will get boring. But being able to hop into a nice classic car and driving my trailer and secure it down and wipe it down with that high quality type of work, that makes life interesting. My son's with me in my truck in the apartment. They can look, not touch. Plenty of room. I mean, my ex-wife can come along. Just want to take some time off for her career. I have plenty of room. Go where there's plenty of room to maneuver. That can work that Peterbilt, that chrome bumper. Hey, that is what I'm looking forward to doing. Moving, just boring general freight. I did dry reefer. No, I mean, make life enjoyable and make good money. And be able to afford a better rig and not tear it up. Cleaner work. You know. I mean, shit, if I lived over in Kentucky, I'd get a union job hauling cars. I had that union retirement after 20 years. And then the day before it happens, the business goes bankrupt and I don't have shit. Yeah. But anyways, all eyes on me. All eyes on me. People probably don't know, I'm talking to the phone. Hey, y'all, talking to my cell phone. I'm crazy. They're coming to take me away. Ha ha, they're coming to take me away. Ha ha, it's a funny farm. But life is always joyful and something. That's not the right rhythm, not right music. Yeehaw.